So yes, Bitcoin is right now breaking down, of course, of this head and shoulders, of this symmetrical triangle. And we are also confirming a breakdown of this very important support line, which is right now resistance. But guys, over the coming few days, it will get very interesting because at the other side, well, we are having some very important signals as well that are right now suggesting us that we actually want to be getting careful and we want to be actually preparing ourselves for a new move towards the upside getting created. So yeah, let's have a second look because it will get very interesting. Of course, just like we saw over here, we also saw this trend line break towards the downside. Very similar as we are currently having right here. And what we actually saw is a little bit of a dip. But in the end of the day, well, we got a strong retracement towards the upside. And this usually happens with the Bitcoin price because, well, as I just showed you, we are just still in this uptrend on our super trend indicator on the 4-day time frame, all right? So we want to be bullish on the Bitcoin price. We do not want to be bearish because, well, the trend is your friend and it is right now towards the upside. And we want to be having a look in towards this as a long opportunity right here in the market, which we are right now given, all right? Also, having a look in towards the bigger picture, of course, I shared some very interesting stuff on my Twitter profile right here. The whales are buying and, well, the retail money is also selling. But what you can be seeing is that, well, the Bitcoin number of addresses with a balance over 10,000 Bitcoin is very steadily increasing still, which usually you want to be following the smart money. And, well, this is the smart money, guys, and they are right now buying. So this is definitely still indicating a bear market bottom, and we are still in this bear market recovery stage. All right, also right here, we can be seeing the same exact thing happening. Well, we can be seeing the MVRF Z score is right now coming out of the green. And usually whenever this happens, well, we never really came back in towards the green zones. We tapped in towards the red zone above. All right, and I will be expecting once again the same thing happening once again for this other on-chain indicator as well as for this one. Whenever you can be seeing the Nupo on-chain indicator coming in towards the red zone, the capitulation phase, well, all of the time what you can be seeing is prices retrace towards the belief or the denial stage in between these green zones, which for this bear market recovery stage, I'm also going to be expecting we are going to be relieving towards this belief stage. Okay, and this is just all suggesting that we are actually going to be getting a bounce anytime soon and a reversal towards the upside anytime soon. As well as right here, we can be seeing very interestingly that every single 2 months we can be seeing consolidation, and after the 2 months, well, we can be seeing a pump once again happening towards the upside. And right now, once again, we are trading in 2 months. So we are expecting a pump very near if we go based off of this time fractal. Now, of course, this is not very reliable. Don't just trade off this one, but it is just another very interesting fact that we have confluencing with all of our other signals. Okay, other than that, we are still holding our golden pocket Fibonacci support level that we talked about a very long time, as well as right here, we are creating this bullish divergence. But to be honest, I've said, all right, I'm not looking to be trading this one because we are currently trading in a weekend. We still have this CME gap above us. And if we will be pumping right now towards the upside, well, we will be creating a CME gap below us. And usually we do tend to fill these CME gaps rather sooner than later. At the current level we are currently trading at, we might be creating some kind of a small CME gap. And we will be opening at about $26,800 and $800, which will be at about these levels right here. Which, as you can be seeing, we will be creating a very small CME gap right here. And I do expect whenever we will be once again trading at this Monday, well, we will be filling this CME gap very quickly. And at that time, if we can be then creating another bullish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame, well, I will definitely be having a look in towards long positions right here. Okay, and also on the longer time frame, well, we can be seeing very, very important support is getting hit. We can be seeing this EMA ribbon is getting tapped into right now. And I've said previously around already on this channel that I do not expect, no matter what happens for the Bitcoin price, I do not expect that this EMA ribbon will get broken towards the downside. I just do not see it happening. Maybe we can be wicking towards the downside just a little bit, But in the longer term, well, based off history, we do not go below it anymore. At this bear market recovery, we once again flip above it. We do not go below it anymore. So that's the reasoning of why I do not expect we will be going below it right here. Also, we are right now testing our 200 weekly moving average right here. And for this one, we do not have a lot of history. We only got supported right here back in the bear market right here. Exactly the bear market bottom right here as well in the pandemic. And also right here, also exactly the bottom. So we are right now retesting it exactly. And if we can be getting a bounce from off this level, it will be very, very bullish. But the interesting thing right here is that, well, in the very near history, we can be seeing right here happened a fake out. So once again, the same thing might be happening right here. We might be faking out just a little bit towards the downside and then once again scoop up towards the upside and fake everyone out. All right, just like happened right here. It might happen once again because it happened so recently as well. Okay, but for the very short term, it's very important to have a look in towards this resistance level because I'm still going to be bearish, guys. I'm still going to be bearish in the very short term. Now, I'm getting already ready for a new move towards the upside. Okay, I can still see the prices getting reached towards the 25k level. Heck, even maybe all the way down towards the 24k level right there that we have talked about. All right, but if in the very short term, we can get back above this resistance levels, which was previously around support. Well, if we can get back above this level, I might be once again flipping bullish, guys. From of that moment, it is indicating once again strength in towards the market. It is indicating this bounce coming in from of these most important levels. Of course, in the longer term trend, we are still looking very, very bullish. Okay, and if we can be reclaiming this level, well, then I'm going to be flipping bullish as well for the Bitcoin price. Other than that, whenever that does not happen, I'm still going to be expecting 25k level getting reached or all the way towards the 24k level. All right, so yeah, that's currently my game plan right here for the Bitcoin price. And if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.